Last Thursday's storm hit the Petronila community hard. As they began to rebuild, some had home insurance to rely on, but not all had that coverage. I'm Stephanie Molina, your neighborhood news reporter in West Nueces County, and I spoke with one family that's among those without coverage.
I mean, like, everything is gone.
Nicole and Tony Sauceda own this home here on County Road 24 in Petronila. Straight line winds ripped through the Sauceda's community Thursday night. A few days later, the husband and wife are left looking at the home scattered around a field.
And of course, no insurance on that. We took a huge hit. That was our whole savings.
Nicole is like many others in her community, owning homes uninsured. But Tony says it's not because they haven't tried.
I called so many people, so many different agents, and we just couldn't get insurance on. Nobody would insure it because of the codes and the wind speeds that I had to meet.
Nueces County is unable right now to get state or federal assistance for this storm. So people in the Petronila community are forced to pay out of pocket if they don't have insurance. Reaching out to the Texas Department of Insurance, I learned insurance coverage needs can vary from storm to storm. Misty High Note says homeowners insurance covers fire, lightning, and theft. But in Nueces County, it does not cover wind or hail damages.
So you would want to go through a state department called the Texas Windstorm Insurance Association, TWIA, a lot of people know it by, and they sell wind and hail insurance.
High Note says going into hurricane season, we never know what kind of rain or flooding we're going to get. So you need flood insurance, which is a separate policy.
So you could have a homeowner's insurance policy, a wind and hail policy, and a flood insurance policy to fully cover yourself.
If you are having issues getting insurance to cover your property, the TDI recommends asking different companies or get an insurance broker to find the right one. If you get denied by 2 different companies, you could go to the FAIR plan.
The only thing we can do right now is get on TDM, get those surveys done so they can see the damage, so they can assess what has happened.
Misty High Note, a spokesperson of the Texas Department of Insurance, says it's important to do a home inventory of your belongings. That will help speed up the claims process if a disaster strikes. In West Nueces County, I'm your neighborhood news reporter, Stephanie Molina, Chris 6 News.